Adadishe. Watch this video. Gonna for if Adadishe Kowalo na this video. You want that go? Gonna for how nya ko bisi we no kata na mapo ha also na chogo ebonwebo ife na chogo. Watch this video.
Woman that Ezeaku wanted to present to Ezeaku as a crippled woman. Yeah, you know, say in a developed country where the system is working, if somebody have sickness or somebody is weak, they can put that person to the wheelchair. They can be pushing the person to the wheelchair. Now, this woman, according to Ezeaku, this woman was in US and she's crippled. She now come to church and their prophet, immediately she cited the prophet. The prophet now said, oh, stand up and walk. And the woman started walking, just like that. This is the woman that Ezeaku wanted to present to Ezeaku so that he can collect 50 million naira debate. That's the reason why he said Ezeaku to, oh, come out to bring the 50 million, give it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brother. So that, give the check to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brother. So that after you confirm, I can now take the money. Why Ezeaku now said, this, we want somebody that is crippled from birth. Ezeaku don't know the meaning of cripple. No Igbo person will not know something where they call cripple. Somebody that is crippled from birth. Not somebody that was walking before. Somebody can be walking before and all of a sudden maybe you get accident. The person now stop walking. Somebody can be pregnant and the person can't walk. I'm giving you an example. When I was pregnant of my son, I was traveling there. They told me that, oh, since you are weak, inside the wheelchair, they were pregnant. Not that I'm crippled. So it can happen. In a developed country, they don't want you to stress yourself. This is the person that Ezeaku wanted to present to Ezeaku so that I can collect 15 million. And me and you know there's nothing like a miracle. Ezeaku, bring somebody that was crippled. We know the meaning of crippled. When somebody is crippled, one go up. Look at the woman that Ezeaku wanted to present.
I don't want to believe no itibolibo nenya adadishe. So reason is because it is very difficult to wake up a man or a woman on a pretending on a hola because nafa muanya, so there is no need waking them up. But it will be more easier to wake up somebody that is actually sleeping because no matter no na if you tap that person will wake up. She somewhere assumed that no, this woman can chore water. But let us even assume that no, this woman can chore water. She said, first of all, okay, before Maga eventually, first of all, also na you all know that na Ben Docha, no one will dia daria mother. Abonya nyama na wheelchair. Kelo dia hoya daria mother ifaho. Eye juwe se mother nyama na wheelchair. Ewe rise up obinie. She still did not see that as miracle. Or say na mgbe ahụ na harie na mgbe ọ dị ime no way condition ono ewe gwa enya no reason na wheelchair na ọ ya ga n'ije. And at that point mmadụ say rise up ho miracle. O we sekwa na mmadụ nwere ike inwe accident onye ha ya dazi aga ije. And onye nwere accident ada agazi ije I we say rise up and walk onye ahụ binye we walk. It is not a miracle. First of all, ọ sịrị ọnụ na anyị nwa ndị Igbo ma if you cripple. Now, if you cripple, let us know the dictionary meaning of cripple. Crippled meaning. Crippled refers to being severely damaged, disabled, or rendered unable to move or function properly, often due to injury or disease. The dictionary will refer to cripple as somebody who is even crippled from birth. Dictionary says crippled refers to being severely damaged, disabled, or rendered unable to move or function properly, often due to injury or disease. So, can I repeat the words? Also, crippled refers to being severely damaged, disabled, or rendered unable to move or function properly, often due to injury or disease. While historically used to describe physical limitations, it is now widely considered old-fashioned and offensive when used as a noun for people. Figuratively, it means crippled or crippled systems, such as an economy. That is, you can use it to describe economy dagola ada. Key meanings include physically incapacitated, to be injured or disabled, particularly in the limbs, preventing normal movement. Severely damaged, to make a system, machine, or organization ineffective or non-functional when you want to use it to describe system as in government. Then figurative weakening, to be severely hindered or impaired, such as being crippled by debt or crippled by self-doubt. Can happen, God, because that is not the area where we are going. So I don't understand why these people are being so daft. It's either that is why in Juena, well, it is very difficult to wake up a person who is pretending to be sleeping, because go around your area and bring me 100% of people do cripple today. About 90% of them wo amugoha ifemelha wemeha. You can hardly bring 1, 2, or 3 persons around your neighborhood do crippled. Oh, now moroha had like that. Oh, very difficult. So many of them wo something meluha wedere na wheelchair. How is it difficult for these people to understand? How is it difficult for they go look at that ditches where put on Facebook? No express ignorance. There are so many people who deem into rightly. They cannot walk. And a lot of people who deem they will have them in a wheelchair. They cannot walk all that period. They cannot carry that pregnancy to avoid damage. All those period had him. I retire higher na wheelchair. Does it mean that no one amount of potassium will rise up and walk? It is not a miracle. To the point that she even said that no further will accident. Do cripple. So that is not cripple. So when you will accident, do cripple. That is not miracle. I don't understand the area. At that issue, if you show for you, your 10 million. Manina shout to put 10 million up and down. Malupone ya pay your cash in account. Remember, it put you no audio 10 million can yeba. Une expert is na ignorance on. Mana man no mu neme. Ama no mu neme. You want to go? Ama no mu neme. You want to? Because you cannot tell me that cripple. What is the meaning of cripple? They say I need a before cripple. What is the meaning of cripple? Dictionary explain bio dictionary meaning nyeketa. So except in a chose na dictionary meaning of cripple dishe. Crippled refer to being severely damaged, disabled, or rendered unable to move or function properly, often due to injury or disease. Injury on a member, disease on our own. Is it not either disease? Is it not either disease or injury will affect a mother? Or maybe physical injury in terms of maybe no will accident. You want to go? Anyway, share this video. Also with the habal. Ono show kwetano. Ono show ne kwetana. Also with the habal. Hey, Managarasha must come back one day. Egwa Mathias in a stake. He must lose that money that day. He want to go. And the mistake himself by EJ Joba Mathias condition. Oh, na maju a condition. Ko we die. Ko ya otari madu. Oju no ye wote guy use them through the law court and after that money. Ko ya wo boss mo na ye je IJP aluzie ka court to explain no lie what crippled mean. You want to go? Oh, court to explain no lie if being crippled mean. My name is mistake. Je da do ku oboshapo. Owo na mo maju eye. Me sure no. Kaiga oge mpotazie somebody. Ka court wo la aka ha we ekpelu mu na ikpe we kowalu mu na ife wo mmadu edo crippled. You want to go? Man o carry here to anu banata echi wonta. Eme mistake man anya doba. I suppose you made that mistake. I suppose you need maybe ko clarify ya. Aka man happy at if I kulu a cripple. Mpotazie a cripple. Nya size no a cripple. Can you use the law we interpret area if a cripple cat system ko wazelu mu na if a cripple onu na na eku erisha. You other go una na eku eri. Why are you making it to look so intense? Leave it as simple. No ya wonu no kuru no ya gwoni mmadu owisi. Ono se no ya gwoni mmadu isi owa. Or does he live here? Chobazie ki define. What are you defining? Magari na opi worker. But we been in influence to crepe on a yayo. How many of them are like that? How many? Almost 90% of them you without a picture. Bamulo hefuna hard to complete. But ufodu ni me hande belaka. Ufodu ni me handaka hatofikol. Ufodu diseases or physical occurrence render her in that condition. I know you doka hasi. Manono machago. Onye kan disona waking up a person who is pretending to be sleeping is very difficult. Manaka agaba anu banata eshi wonta.